What if I told you that you could build this stunning AI chatbot interface in just 10 minutes? No prior experience needed, just AI and your creativity. Hey everyone! Welcome back to AI Code Cascade. I'm Dilawar Khan, and today I'm going to show you something incredible. Last week, we created a portfolio website with AI. Today, we're taking it up a notch. We'll build a modern chatbot interface that looks like it came straight from a tech giant, complete with smooth animations, dark mode, and that satisfying typing indicator. And the best part? We're doing it all with Claude AI. No coding knowledge required. So grab your coffee, and let's dive in. Step 1. Prompt overviews. Alright, let's start with step 1, understanding our magical prompt. Here's the secret sauce. A detailed prompt that tells AI exactly what we want. Let me break this down for you. Highlight each section as you speak. First, we have our project overview. We're creating a modern AI chatbot interface with 3 key features. Look at our project structure. Our detailed requirements. Show HTML requirements. For HTML, we need a clean structure with proper meta tags. Show CSS requirements. For CSS styling. Modern, minimalist design, because who likes clutter? Responsive layout, works on your phone and laptop. Beautiful color schemes for both themes. Wow! Show JavaScript requirements, and for JavaScript functionality. Message sending system. Auto responses from our bot. That cool typing animation. Theme switching with memory. It remembers your preference. See how detailed this prompt is. That's the key to getting amazing results from AI. Step 2. Claude AI. Login 2 o'clock. Step 2 is super simple. Let's get into Claude AI. Head over to Claude AI. That's CLAUDE.ai. If you already have an account, just click Login and use your Gmail. If not, hit that Sign Up button. It literally takes 30 seconds. Show login process, and boom. We're in. Claude AI is like having a coding expert sitting right next to you. Step 3. Paste the prompt. Now for step 3, time to work our magic. Copy our entire prompt, and I mean everything. This detailed structure is what makes the magic happen. Paste it into Claude's chat box. Look at how well organized it is. Clear headings, bullet points, specific requirements, even sample responses. Pro tip: the better your prompt, the better your output. It's like giving a chef a detailed recipe versus just saying, "Make me food." Step 4. AI generates code. Here comes the exciting part. Step 4. Watch Claude work its magic. Show generating code in real time. Look at that! Claude is creating 3 separate files for us. Index, HTML for structure. Style link to .css for styling. Script, JS for functionality. Notice how it's following our requirements perfectly. That's because we gave it clear instructions. See? It's adding the typing indicator we asked for. Theme toggle functionality. Responsive design. Even those smooth animations. Step 5. Copy the code. Step 5. Time to grab our treasure. Claude has given us 3 complete files. Copy each one carefully. First, the HTML file. Then, the CSS file. Finally, the JavaScript file. Make sure you're copying the entire code for each file, from the first line to the last. Step 6. Versus Code Setup. Step 6. Let's bring our chatbot to life. Open VS Code. If you don't have it, it's free. Now create 3 files. Index, HTML. Paste your HTML code here. This is our structure, the skeleton of our chatbot. Style link to .css. Paste your CSS code. This makes everything look beautiful. script, JS, paste your JavaScript. This is the brain that makes everything work. Quick tip: if you don't have Live Server extension, go to Extensions, search Live Server, and install it. It's a game changer. Save all files with Ctrl+S or CMD+S. Step 7. Launch the project. Step 7. The moment of truth. Show launching with Live Server. Right-click on Index, HTML and select Open with Live Server. This opens your chatbot in Chrome automatically. Copy that localhost URL. That's your chatbot running on your computer. Step 8. Testing and overview. Final step. Let's test our creation. Look at this beauty. Let me show you what we've built. Send a message, type hello, and hit enter. See that smooth animation? Typing indicator. Watch those 3 dots bounce while the bot thinks. Theme toggle, click the sun icon. Bam! Dark mode. Click again for light mode. And it remembers your choice. Responsive design. Every interaction feels premium. All of this in under 10 minutes. That's the power of AI. Conclusion and there you have it. We just built a professional chatbot interface that would normally take hours, in just 10 minutes with Claude AI. Remember, AI isn't here to replace developers. It's here to make us all capable of creating amazing things. If you found this helpful, smash that like button. It really helps the channel grow. Want to see more AI? Drop a comment below. What would you like me to build with AI next? And hey, if you missed our last video on creating a portfolio website with AI, check it out. Link in the description. Until next time, this is Dilawar Khan from AI Code Cascade. Keep coding, keep creating, and remember, with AI, anything is possible.